So you start the engine, shift into reverse, and the reverse light on the rear bumper does not come on. In this video, I will walk you through replacing the reverse light bulb on a 4th generation Kia Sportage. It is located in the rear bumper, so you must be thinking we have to remove the bumper to access the bulb. The good news is you don't have to remove the bumper at all. Instead, you can simply go under the vehicle near the rear wheel and replace the bulb from there. Before you get under the car, take some safety precautions. Park on a level ground, put the transmission in park, and set the parking brake. Because you will be working under the rear bumper, make sure the muffler is completely cool. It stays hot for a long time after driving and can easily burn you. Never get under the rear of the vehicle when the muffler is hot. Also, wear gloves, since we are dealing with an incandescent bulb. Slide under the rear of the vehicle and position yourself next to the rear wheel on the side of the bulb you are replacing. You will see a plastic splash panel between the bumper and the wheel well. This panel is held in place by 2 plastic clips at the bottom and bolts at the top. You only have to remove the clips at the bottom. Using a clip removal tool or a flathead screwdriver, gently pry the 2 clips out and set them aside. With the clips removed, bend the panel back just enough to create a gap that lets you reach into the bumper cavity. You don't need to remove the entire panel, just bend it back carefully and hold it out of the way. Reach into the opening and feel for the round plastic housing that holds the reverse bulb. It's a circular socket that sits inside the bumper. The wires will be attached to the back. Be mindful not to tug on the wires. You only need to rotate and remove the housing. To remove the housing, rotate the round plastic piece counterclockwise. Then pull it straight out. The bulb itself is a push and twist style. To remove it, push the bulb in slightly and turn it counterclockwise. This releases the bayonet tabs and allows the bulb to pull straight out. Be sure to wear gloves when handling incandescent bulbs. They can get extremely hot and the natural oils from your skin may reduce the lifespan of the bulb. The part number for this bulb is P21W. It's a 12-volt, 21-watt incandescent bulb. Take your new bulb and align the pins with the slots in the socket. Push the bulb in and rotate it clockwise until it locks into place. You should feel the bayonet tabs seat firmly. Now slide the plastic housing back into the bumper opening, align it, push it in, and rotate the housing clockwise until it locks. Make sure the housing sits flush and the wires are not pinched. The housing should be snug and seated as it was originally. Move the plastic splash panel back into its original position and reinstall the 2 clips you removed earlier. Now test the light. Start the engine and shift the gear into reverse. If it lights up, perfect. If not, there could be another issue, like a wiring issue or the fuse is blown. The fuse for reverse light is located in the engine compartment fuse box. Pop the hood and locate the main fuse box in the engine compartment. It's a black box near the battery. Press the tabs on the sides and lift up the cover. Under the cover, you'll find a diagram that lists all the fuses and relays in the fuse box. The fuse for the reverse light is labeled as B/UP lamp, which stands for backup lamp. It's a 10 amp fuse. There will be this red fuse in the fuse box. Once you have found the fuse, the easiest way to check it is with a simple visual inspection. Pull the fuse out using the fuse puller stored into the fuse box or a pair of needle nose pliers. Hold it up to a light and look through the transparent plastic body. Inside you will see a small metal strip. If the strip is intact, the fuse is good. But if the strip looks broken or burned, the fuse is blown and needs to be replaced. If the fuse is bad, replace it with another one of the same amperage rating, which is 10 amps in this case. After replacing, turn on the ignition and shift into reverse. If the reverse light comes back on, the problem is solved. And that's how you replace the reverse light bulb in a 4th generation Kia Sportage. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to rejoin for more automotive troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching.